Welcome children. In bio class you studied about the internal structure of kidney. Inside the kidney, structural and functional unit of kidney is present. The structural and functional unit of kidney is called nephron. So children, nephron is the structural and functional unit of kidney, that is nephron. It is structural and functional unit of kidney. In human kidney, near about 1.2 million nephrons are present, and these nephrons in the kidney are held together by scanty connective tissue, and there is blood vessels, lymphatics and nerves. These blood vessels, lymphatics and nerves lie in connective tissue. When you will see the structure of nephrons, so this is the structure of the nephron. Like this is the complete structure of nephron. So when you see the structure of it, there is front portion of it is cup like structure. So this cup like structure of nephron, it is known as Bowman capsule. Again there are convoluted tubule, that is called proximal convoluted tubule. Then this is the loop of Henle. Then there is distal convoluted tubule, and it open into collecting duct. So their structure has shown of nephron. In this portion is called Bowman capsule. This Bowman capsule is a cup-like structure. So children, you can see the different parts of the nephron. So in the nephron, first part is the renal capsule. Second part is the renal tubule. So in the renal capsule, this portion is called Bowman capsule. Again, it is the proximal convoluted tubule. This portion is proximal convoluted tubule. Again, there is distal convoluted tubule. Then, and in between the proximal and distal convoluted tubule, there is loop of Henle. This U-shaped tube, it is the loop of Henle's. So this is the structure of renal tubules. So children, you have to learn, there are first part is the Bowman capsule, second part is the, so first part of it is the Bowman capsule. Bowman capsule, it is the first part, and second part is the proximal convoluted tubule, again loop of Henle, and then next one is distal convoluted tubule, DCT. Then distal convoluted tubules will open into collecting duct. So this is the figure of one nephron. In the Bowman capsule, there is a supply of the blood through a blood vessel, that is called afferent arteriole. And this afferent arteriole inside the Bowman capsule break into fine blood capillaries. Then it form a knot-like mass of blood vessels in the Bowman capsule. So this structure is called glomerulus. Again, the blood vessel which take the blood from away from it, that is efferent arteriole. This Bowman capsule and glomerules both together is called Bowman capsule and glomerules both together is called Malpighian capsule. So glomerules and Bowman capsule both together are Malpighian corpuscles or renal corpuscles. Again, from this tubular structure has extended. So this tubular structure is the proximal convoluted tubule. Again, this is the U-shaped structure. This is known as loop of Henle. Then this portion is the distal convoluted tubule, and it is going to open into collecting duct. So this complete structure is the structure of nephron. And in the kidney there are two types of nephron. One is cortical nephron and second is juxtamedullary nephron. Cortical nephrons are those nephrons whose loop of Henle is short and it extends only very little into the medulla region. So when you see the structure of the kidney, then I told internally kidney has two parts. One is cortex peripheral part, central part is medulla. So those nephrons which are present in the cortical region, they are known as cortical nephrons. So we can identify the cortical nephron because their loop of Henle is shorter. Other nephrons which are present in the whose loop of Henle is longer, that is to the medulla, so that is called juxtamedullary nephrons. And these collecting duct will open into the papilla. Papilla will open in the pelvis, and from pelvis then ureter. So what urine is formed after the filtration of the blood that pass from the ureter and collected in the urinary bladder. So this I told the structure of nephrons.